Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake key lime cream pie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. To make the crust, add the graham crackers into a large Ziploc bag. You can use any plain crisp cookies you like. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. Then crush them using a rolling pin until it forms fine crumbs. Add the crumbs into a medium bowl and add in the brown sugar and melted butter and mix them until they're well combined. Pour the mixture into an ungreased 9-inch pie pan. Spread it all over the inside and press it down so it sticks together. And place it into the fridge for now until it's set. To make the filling, in a large bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and beat it with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Then add in the sweetened condensed milk and mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the key lime juice. Lime juice is not the same, but if you can't find key lime juice, then a good substitute is to use half lime juice and half lemon juice. And mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the cold, heavy cream. Mix it until it's combined. Then beat the mixture for another 2 or 3 minutes until the mixture thickens. Then mix it by hand to combine all the ingredients. Pour the filling into the chilled pie crust. Wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight until it's well chilled, and keep it refrigerated until you're nearly ready to serve it. Then remove it from the fridge and pipe on some whipped cream if you like. And add on some grated lime zest. Then just cut and serve. And that's how to make a no-bake key lime cream pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.